right? So now talk about the fee or school fee, tuition fee, and one of the things that the student were always concerned about. Um, Now we should talk about four main things. It's about renting. It's about housing, right? Um, and usually it's for team you if you are single and you rent a house. Usually it costs about 6,000 to 9,000 per month. Um, and living costs, for example, utilities for 1,000, food 9,000 per month. Some if you cook, it will be cheaper, right? And you should pay for the insurance, transportation, and some other. We don't talk about shopping because you will spend differently. Now we also have to pay for insurance and tuition fee, of course. So tuition fee is subject to be changed by different level of the training program. But usually it's about um, more than 50,000 a month. You have to a semester. Sorry, so you have to pay. Um, And now you ask about whether I can seek for some scholarship, right? Financial support. And yes, TMU also offers some scholarship for students from graduate, master, and also uh, Ph.D. program. Right? Usually Ph.D. program will get a type A. So you receive month by cash. They will send to your account 16,000 a month, apart from the tuition already waived, right? And for master program, you got 12,000 a month and tuition waivers. And for type C, some student only can get tuition fee waived, and other you have to pay by yourself or your family can support it. Some students will apply for the government scholarship, which I will share with you later, right? So besides the main scholarship for international student, you also have another chance to. Uh, Sorry, there's someone to want to get in. Let me add meeting. Right. Now back to the presentation. Right. So beside you can have the scholarship for your study, you also can apply for outstanding international graduate award. And this is there's some cases that you can apply. Um, so if you are a new student and you also receive the enrollment letter from other university, because when you apply different universities, and if any of them in the top 150 ranking as the one's university ranking or top hundreds in QS ranking, then you can apply, right? Or you graduate from those universities and you only apply for TMU. You get a recruitment letter from TMU and you plan to study here, then you can also apply for this type of scholarship, right? Beside that, if you are a new student and you are the first or corresponding author of the published SCIS, SCILEI original paper, which accepted within past 3 years prior to your application in TMUs, then you can get the extra monies for your living during your study here, right? And for international students who received academic achievement award from TMU in the past, which means you study here and you also receive some awards from TMU, you can also apply for outstanding award and you can get some more money. Right? For overseas Chinese students who listed TMU as their first choice, because when you apply, you will apply many university, right? And if TMU as your first choice and master, you are top 30% in the class, or PhD, your grade of 85 or higher, then you can also apply. Right, so graduate students who receive the full scholarship from their passport issued government and who are not TMU international student resident. Right, so this the award is not much, but it's also good amounts for you. So when you come, and you can also apply and ask for the Office of Global Engagement from TMU for more detail. Right? There's another type of scholarship is kind of encouragement. So this is was for people who publish the paper. Like for example, if you're studying TMU and you publish SCI or SSCI journal articles, then you can certainly apply for this thesis award. It's not much, and we are using the impact factor in ranking to calculate how much you can receive for your paper, right? So try to work hard with your professor and labmate to publish more. Right, for detail about these applications, and you can contact with the Office of the Research and Development. Usually this office will send the email to your professor or to you when you are in TMU. Then you can just follow their guideline to apply. Right, so we also have in our College of Nutrition, we also provide some scholarship that's called Ray Ye Scholarship. So the application is limited to current students. Right? So when you are our student, then you can apply. The award is not much, maximum 10,000 NTDs for master student, and maximum 20,000 for PhD student. All right. So another scholarship here I mentioned is about the Taiwan scholarship. There are different types, from the Ministry of Health, Ministry of Science and Technology, and so even the ICDF program. There's so many other that you can apply, and certainly you can search on their own website, or just go to the OGE, the Office of Global Engagement in TMU, and we also provide the link, and you can click on that and search for the detail and check the requirement guideline and all the other thing that you're ready to submit. All right, now talk about our student in the School of Nutrition and Sciences and Health Sciences. So we now, for master program, we have 9 international students from Vietnam, Malaysia, Mongolia, Indonesia, Slovenia, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand. And for PhD, we have total 12 PhD students right now. This 4-year student from South Korea and Vietnam, they are ready to graduate. And we have some students, 3rd years from Indonesia, Thailand, Indonesia also, from different university in their countries. We also have 2nd-year students from Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, and also the 1st-year student from Indonesia and in India. So those are the PhD students. Some of them published very good paper, some published more. So more or less they have paper already, even in the 1st years. Okay? So we encourage students work with the professor to publish more, not just for your graduation, but you can also get some thesis award that good money. Right, now talk about the alumni international student. We now have about 26 graduates from different countries who graduate from master and PhD. And average study periods for PhD, the average would be 4.7 years. Some graduates within 3 years, right? And master graduate within 2 years. Using master 2 years, you can graduate. Right? Bachelor, PhD, you take more time for your study and also publications. Right? Now, beside those, new student, current student, we also establish the Alumni Association. So this is one of them. We have TMU in Nutrition Indonesia Alumni Association. This was found this year, actually, in the summertime that we established. So we encourage you to have this kind of association if you have a good amount of the students who graduate from TMU or in our school, so you can establish and keep the connection for future cooperation in teaching and research. Right. So with that, thank you very much, and you're more than welcome to contact us if you have any questions. You can email to Professor Susan or me. That this is an email. Alright, all right. So now I'm willing to receive any questions from you. Thank you.